Hey, I'm Lila and welcome to my channel. Good morning. So we're now heading to Cresta de Gallo today for an overnight beach trip, which is the main reason why we went here. So once you arrive at the port of San Fernando, Sibuyan, you have to pay an environmental fee of 50 pesos. The boat is 3,000 pesos for overnight. Welcome to Cresta de Gallo. The boat trip is for 1 hour. A bit of choppy water. So imagine your boat ride to Kagawad. So that's similar to that. Time for a swim, but first let me show you our place for tonight. So this is the hut where we will stay, Nipa hut, where we will stay for this evening. That tree is where we will cook our food. So this is like the seating area with table. And there's the door, and voila. So floor, and then it's actually a big bed. So a little window and some place there to place your stuff. It's right here. And the good thing about it, it's only 450 pesos a night. That's amazing. The sand is white. Super clear water. Lunch is served. Trying to explore Cresta de Gallo Island, and Sibuyan is known as the Galapagos of the Philippines. So that is the end of the island. You look on the other side. That's the other end. So this is the other side of the island where there's no wind, and you can actually take a swim here because the water is so calm. This is the middle part of the island. So, beach. Now we're going there. sandbar. I don't know how to get there.
Finally reached the sandbar. Yes.
No food. No. No food. Sorry. Just chilling in the water. So, by the beach, waiting for sunset. And while relaxing, I realized that this is my happy place, and you need to find a place where you could just clear your mind, recharge, and have some downtime, you know. And for me, Cresta de Gallo is the perfect place. So come here during off-peak season. And look, the water is so calm. It feels like you're swimming in a swimming pool, but it's salty. So yeah, you should look for a place like that from time to time. Visit it for you to relax, recharge, and think about your life, what you want to do, your dreams, everything, because sometimes we really forget to appreciate how beautiful our life is, and a place like this will remind you of that, you know. Yeah, super duper relaxing and super duper worth the trip.